So you want to learn robotics. So you want to learn computer vision. You want to learn machine learning. Before you spend a significant amount of time actually trying to understand and master any of these fields, it does make sense that you spend at least some time trying to understand your personal motivations and desire for why you actually want to pursue these fields. In the book Start With Why, Simon Sinek points out that when you ask the question why, you actually connect with the most primordial part of the brain that is responsible for actually driving us to do things that promote our survival. And that implies that you would start a project for the right reasons. And this is particularly important for studying fields like artificial intelligence and robotics, because you would actually be spending a lot of time trying to understand the concepts, the tools, and the frameworks to solve problems in these fields. Secondly, these fields are advanced and they build upon several fundamental concepts in engineering and programming. That means that you would inevitably be stuck while trying to learn, and the process of learning would be more zigzag than linear. So it does make sense that you spend at least some time trying to evaluate your personal motivations. Here's how you do it. You have to dedicate at least 30 minutes to 1 hour to actually thinking deeply about your core reasons why you want to study these fields. Another reason is that you would be expending a lot of time and energy trying to understand these fields, and the learning journey would definitely have its ups and downs. Also, as you know, there is a lot of information already existing online. So if you were motivated enough, you would have already started learning robotics, computer vision, machine learning, or any of your favorite fields in artificial intelligence. But the reason why you haven't started learning already is because your motivations are unclear. You don't really know why you want to learn these fields. And knowing the exact specific reasons why you want to do something is of extreme importance for the reasons that I've just mentioned right now. As the saying goes, if you have a strong enough why, you could bear any how. So let's tap into your why. How would you do that? Well, here's a small activity for you. You would have to dedicate at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, maybe even more if you need to actually sit down and evaluate your reasons for wanting to study these fields. This activity is applicable for students who are currently doing their bachelor's in any of the engineering fields like mechanical engineering, computer engineering, or electronics engineering, or if you're already working as an engineer in the industry and want to transition to robotics, computer vision, or machine learning. Here's how you do it. You dedicate 30 minutes to 1 hour. You actually set a timer on your phone. You take a piece of sheet. You write on the top of it, why do I want to study robotics or computer vision or machine learning, or actually whichever field that you are interested in. You start the timer and you journal it for the specified time. The idea is that you let all your thoughts onto this sheet of paper. That is why it is important that you are not too critical towards the thoughts that are coming to your head. Just simply put down everything that comes to your mind that is related to this question, the topic that you have written on the top of the sheet of paper. Just write down every single thought, every single idea, every single reason that comes to your mind on this sheet of paper without being too critical of the ideas that are coming to you. After finishing this activity for a specified time duration, take the time to actually read through it and underline the statements that stand out. These statements should give you an insight as to what your core reasons are for pursuing these fields. Nobody talks about this, but this is extremely important because you would be spending at least 2 to 3 years, if not more, studying these fields. And not everyone is excited about what robotics and artificial intelligence can do for the future. In fact, a lot of people have no clear understanding what artificial intelligence is. A lot of people have fears of artificial intelligence replacing their job. And a lot of people think that robotics would eventually do more harm than good to humanity. Take the time to actually identify your core reasons. And the reasons could lie anywhere from your personal motivations to actually pursue a better career, have better job opportunities, earn more money, and these are absolutely good reasons to pursue a field. To actually more higher level reasons, knowing that the field that you're going to study is going to have a significant impact on the world. Your personal motivations should not be driven just by the desire to earn more money. You should actually be interested in learning the field and partaking in the process of building and designing such systems. If you want to learn computer vision, for example, you should actually be enjoying the process of programming and creating computer vision algorithms. So these are the things you should keep in mind. As Leonardo da Vinci mentions, study without desire spoils memory and it retains nothing that it takes in. So you have to actually be interested in the field and be willing to learn it for the right reasons. I'll probably make separate videos on the right and the wrong reasons to pursue robotics, computer vision, or machine learning. Till then, I hope that you actually take this activity seriously and take out the time to do it. You don't want to spend 2 to 3 years of your life studying a field that you're not interested in. So I urge you to actually do this activity. If you're comfortable, feel free to also share your top reasons to pursuing these fields in the comments, as that might help you and all the others who are interested in learning these fields be accountable to the learning process.